Got hundreds of photos in a WhatsApp chat you want to save. Here's the bulk extract path. No scrolling, no long pressing, no missed shots. Saving WhatsApp images one at a time is brutal. Long press, tap save, scroll back, repeat. A wedding chat or a baby thread with 500 photos turns into a 2-hour ordeal. The trick: WhatsApp's own export chat feature already bundles every photo, video, and voice note into a single zip. Tap 3 dots on Android or the contact name on iPhone, pick Export Chat, include media. WhatsApp gives you a zip with everything. Save it to your computer, then drop it on chattopdf.app. You get 2 things back: a PDF with every photo in line next to the message that sent it, and a folder of the raw media files named and ordered. Pay once. No subscription. And here's what you get: every image preserved at full resolution, every video included, every voice note transcribed if you've got the voice tier. Browsable, backupable, shareable. On privacy, files auto-delete after 7 days. Nothing's kept. Nothing's used to train anything. That's how to bulk save WhatsApp photos and media. Links in the description. Code VOICE25 for 25% off.